Here it is given that a spherical black body with a radius of 12 centimeter, radius 450 watt power at 500 Kelvin. If the radius were halved and the temperature is double, the power radiated in watts would be. So we know the equation for the power radiated, that is E sigma A, temperature of object raised to 4. Over here we can write, as it is a spherical shape object, instead of area, its surface area, we can take it as 4 pi r square into temperature of object raised to 4. So we can write this power radiated is directly proportional to r square and directly proportional to r raised to 4. So in question it is given that if the radius were halved, that means if you are considering the initial radius r nothing but r, then the value of final radius r2 can be written as nothing but r divided by 2, because in question it is mentioned that radius were halved and temperature were double. That means if you are considering initial temperature as T, then the final temperature T2 can be written as nothing but 2 times of initial temperature, or we can take it as 2T, because in question it is mentioned that temperature is double. So our aim is to find out what about the value of power radiated in second situation. Power radiated in first situation is given as nothing but 450. So our aim is to find out the value of P2. Now as P is directly proportional to r square and t raised to 4, we can take it as nothing but P2 divided by P1 is equal to R2 divided by R1 raised to 2 into T2 divided by T1 raised to 4. Now we can just substitute the values. So we can write the value of P2 divided by P1 is nothing but 450 is equal to R2 is given as nothing but R divided by 2 and R1 is given as nothing but R raised to 2 into T2 is given as nothing but 2T and T1 is given as nothing but T raised to 4. So we can cancel this T and this T over here and this R and this R over here. So the equation becomes, it is P2 divided by 450 is equal to, this is 1 by 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 4. So you can write 1 by 2 raised to 2 is nothing but 1 by 4 and 2 raised to 4 is nothing but 16. So I'll get the answer as nothing but 4. So you can write the value of P2 will be equal to 450 into 4, or you can write that is equal to nothing but 1800.